What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the Pewdiepie crewmate from Among Us. Let's get started at the top of our page with the top edge of the visor. We're going to start right in the middle of our page, draw a curve going up, and we'll bend that down on the right, and then we'll round out the side of the visor, starting back on the left. Just going to bend this out, and then come back in, do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to connect the bottom with another curve. We're going to come down the center, and back up on the right side. Let's move all the way over toward the left and draw a circle for the headphone. We're going to start from the very top, draw that circle, coming around, and just pull that up toward the top. Let's add a thick edge along the right side. Starting from the top, I'm going to come across, down, then in towards the middle. Let's go to the top right side of the headphone and draw the top of the head. We're going to go up, across, just pull that down on the right side of the visor. Let's go back over towards the left, curve the band going up. I'm just going to taper this across and then back down on the right. Now we're going to move down to the bottom of the headphone, curve the body going out, come down and then in towards the bottom of the feet. Go underneath the visor on the right side. Straight down and then bend that in towards the same height. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. We're going to start on the left side, curve the foot, coming down and then up. Go to the right, we're going to do the same thing. I want to leave a gap in between the feet. And let's go to the inside of the left foot, draw a straight line going up, curve the body going across and then up towards the right. Go to the inside of the right foot, draw a straight line going up underneath the body. Let's add the backpack on the left side. We're going to start from the bottom of the headphone, start with a short curve going out and then down, come all the way down towards the bottom, go out and then up, and we'll connect the top and bottom with a curve. Just going to bend this out and then back in. I'm also going to add the bro fist over on the right side. So let's start up here, start with the first finger. We're going to come down and then bend that up and in, come down towards the bottom, draw the second finger, on that same curve, and then the third finger we're going to go all the way around and then up towards the top of the hand. Let's curve this in and then down. I'm just going to wrap the thumb underneath the fingers. Come down, in, and just pull that up. And then we'll go to the inside of the first finger, step down, add a fold, going in and then up. Now I'm going to go back and add a shadow across the bottom of the visor, starting from the top left. Come down, go across, and then up on the right. Let's add some thick stripes along the inside of the backpack. Starting from the top, curve in and then down, step down, follow that same curve. Step down again. I'm just going to repeat this all the way down towards the bottom. And we'll add one more stripe. Let's fill the inside of those stripes in black. And then we'll add a swirl pattern inside the headphone. Starting from the top right, go around, up, and just hook that back down. And I'm just going to taper this along the inside so it gets thicker as you come around. Go up, and just pull that down on the inside. Let's fill that swirl in black. We're also going to carry those stripes across the top of the headband. Starting from the left side, curve in and bend that down, step up, draw that twice, and leave a gap and just repeat this all the way across towards the right. Then again, we'll just fill the inside in black. Let's add some stripes across the top of the head. Starting on the left, curve in and down on top of the visor. Step up, do that twice, and leave a larger gap and do that again. and add one more on the outside. Let's fill those in black. And then in between the headphone and the visor, come down and then in, step down, fill that twice, and fill that in. Now we're going to add a wave pattern inside the body. Let's start underneath the headphone. Start by curving in, down, and just pull that up underneath the visor. Step down. Now we're just going to taper this so it gets a little bit thicker along the bottom. And then again, just taper that back up. Let's fill that in black. Now we're going to follow this wave pattern all the way down towards the bottom of the feet. Let's start over on the left side. Just follow that curve coming down a little bit lower in the middle. And pull that back up. Go back to the left side. Again, just thickening this up as you come down towards the middle. And back up. Let's go back over towards the left side. And work our way towards the inside of the left leg. And thicken that up. We'll add one more along the bottom. Let's go over towards the right leg, curve out and up. Add one along the bottom corner. And then we'll go back and fill those stripes in black. Let's add the bottom edge of a stripe coming down underneath the visor. Starting back on the left, come down, and then up, and then we'll fill that in black. And we'll add a stripe going across the top of the hand. Starting from the inside, come across, up, and then out, step up, just taper that out, and again, just filling that in black. And that's pretty much it. There's our Pewdiepie crewmate from Among Us. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.